In this video today, I'm going to show how to scale a particle by a variable. For example, using particle radius as a scaling factor so that small particles look visually smaller than large particles. I'm using the Wednesday gasifier training problem for the example. And I'll start by clicking on particle radius button to bring up a Tecplot window. All right, and you can see on the screen that the particles are colored by radius. For this example, I'm going to blank all of the species 1 particles by using plot, blanking, value blanking. I'm going to click on include value blanking, and then I'm going to blank here when species index is equal to 1, because that's the initial bed species. So we'll make that active. And since this is the first time step, there was only the initial bed. So we'll go to the last time step available, which is 9.4 seconds. And now you can see that there's a small amount of particles in here, and that would be species 2. So they're a little bit hard to see, so we're going to make them a little bit bigger. So we're going to go click on zone styles and go to the scatter tab. Make that a little bigger. And here we can see that the particle's symbol shape is set to a single pixel point. So we're going to right click on that and change it to sphere. So they're a little bit bigger here, but then we can control the scatter size here if we right click. And then we can change it to like 0.5 and they get a little bit bigger. Or if we want to scale them by their radius, then we could also right click on scatter size and click on select variable. And here's where we would select radius. And then close. And then we right click again and select by, and now we can see it's by radius. And so now we can see that the particles are scaled by their radius, but they're a little bit larger than I would like. They're just kind of taking up more space than I think that looks nice. So we can then change that by right clicking again here and go back to select variable. And here you can adjust the grid units per magnitude. I'm going to change this 99 number to a 5 and just see if that helps. Yeah, so I like the way that this looks now. The largest particles are large enough to see, but visibly larger than the smallest particles over here. I'm going to close that and then just rotate it around and see how it looks. So that looks pretty good to me. I've got your larger particles, visibly larger, scaled larger than your small ones here. So that's all I have for this video for today.